Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Canon E470 printer to a laptop. Connecting your printer is a straightforward process, and we will cover both wired and wireless methods. First, you will need to identify which connection type you prefer or is available to you. Make sure your laptop is ready with the right ports or wireless access. Having all your components, like cables and network details, ready beforehand will make the setup much smoother. For a direct USB connection, begin by powering on both your Canon E470 printer and your laptop. Next, take your USB cable and connect one end to the printer and the other end to an available USB port on your laptop. The most crucial step is installing the printer drivers. You can usually find these on an included installation CD or download them directly from Canon's official support website. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to finish the setup. To connect wirelessly, first confirm that both your Canon E470 printer and your laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, put your printer into its wireless setup mode. This often involves pressing and holding a dedicated Wi-Fi button for a few seconds. On your laptop, use the Canon IJ Network tool to locate and add your printer. The tool will guide you through the remaining steps to establish a seamless wireless connection, usually taking only a few minutes. Once you have completed the connection process, it is always a good idea to perform a test print from your laptop to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues with a USB connection, double-check that all cables are firmly plugged in. For wireless problems, confirm your Wi-Fi network is active and that your printer has a valid IP address. Often, simply restarting both your printer and laptop can resolve many common connection difficulties, saving you time and effort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.